In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete multiple elements in Weebly. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign in to your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site, and open the website you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the page containing the elements you want to remove. It's important to know that Weebly doesn't currently support selecting multiple individual elements and deleting them all at once. Each element normally has to be removed individually. If the elements you want to remove are all inside the same section, you can save time by deleting the entire section instead. Click the section to select it, then choose the delete option from the section controls. This removes the section along with every element inside it. If the elements are spread across different sections, you'll need to delete each one separately by selecting the element and choosing delete from its options. After removing the unwanted content, review your page to make sure the layout still looks the way you want. Then save your changes and publish your website. That's how to delete multiple elements in Weebly. Thanks for watching.